In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your status message in Microsoft Teams. If you've ever set a custom status, like in a meeting or on vacation, and then forgotten to remove it, you know it can cause confusion for your co-workers or classmates. So in this quick walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to clear that status message so your availability reflects your real situation. First, make sure you're signed into Microsoft Teams, either in your web browser or desktop app. The steps are basically the same in both. Once you're on the main team screen, look towards the upper right corner of the window. There, you'll see your profile area. This usually appears as your profile picture, your initials inside a circle, or a generic user icon if you haven't set a photo yet. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you do, a small menu will drop down. This menu shows your name, your email, your current status, and a few options to manage your account and settings. If you already have a custom status message set, you might see a short line of text right under your name, like a note or reminder you added earlier. In this profile menu, look for the section where your status message is displayed. Next to it, or just beneath it, there should be an option to remove or clear that message. In many versions of Teams, this appears as a small trash can icon, sometimes called the delete icon. It's usually placed near the text of your status message to make it clear that it's linked to that note. Click on the trash icon or delete icon. The moment you select it, Teams will remove your custom status message. You shouldn't need to confirm anything. The text will simply disappear from that section of the menu. This means your status message has been deleted and other people will no longer see that custom note when they view your profile or start a chat with you. After deleting, you can quickly double check that it worked by opening the profile menu again. If there's no custom text under your name, your status message has been successfully cleared. Your presence in Teams will now just show as available, busy, do not disturb, or whatever standard status you choose without any extra message attached. And that's all there is to it. With just a click on your profile icon and another on the trash icon, you can clean up your status and avoid sending mixed signals in Microsoft Teams.